blue hair dye. It's nighttime. Where's my lemonade? Okay, so I decided to dye my hair tonight anyways because I just cut it. Okay, we're dyeing it blue. Splat Tantalizing Teal hair dye. It was on sale today for $7 something. And I thought I'd get it. And I put one of my cones in here. Okay, it comes with lightning bleach and this stuff. The blue hair dye. It's nighttime. Where's my lemonade? Okay, so I'm having technical issues with my new camera, so I'm using my old one. I don't know if the footage that I previously filmed tonight, like if any of it's still there. Dyeing my hair tantalizing teal. I already ripped open the box. I got the bleach. Luckily, I bought a second bleach kit, so we're just gonna take care of everything that didn't get bleached, and then we're gonna move on to the color. Okay, so time to put the color in. Yes. It kind of looks like a peacock. I kind of look like a peacock. Oh man, my hair looked normal for a hot minute. I'm so happy it looks weird again. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed also, the hair dye came off my face pretty well. I don't think there's any on my ears. Maybe a little bit. I don't know. Seems to have rinsed off pretty well. I'll have to put some coconut oil in my hair, because it it definitely took some damage. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed, and for now you have to go, but until the next time, smooth sailing to you and your pirate crew.